Hello friends, today I am discussing with you HR interview question for freshers. First question will be asked, tell me about yourself. First, say good morning. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Samiksha. I am from Maharashtra and born and brought up in Yavatmal. Coming to my qualification, I have completed my graduation from Nagpur University. There I scored 75 in BE ENTC degree. I have completed my PG CDAC Hyderabad in DSD stream. Coming to my family, including me, we are 4 members: father, mother, sister. Coming to my hobby, watching TV, learning new things, etc. Coming to my strength, hard working and good listening. Coming to my goal, goal is I would like to become successful in profession. This is all about me. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now, this is simple answer. You have to tell them. Next, why should I hire you? You can answer like this: as I am a quick learner and feel have all the abilities and skill which you need for this post, and I would like to prove your discussion correct of selecting me for this post. So I think these reasons are enough for hiring me. Okay. Next is, what are your strength and weakness? You can answer like this: my strength is optimistic, punctuality, happiness, and friendliness, and my weakness is bad in speaking English. I am trying to develop my skill. Next question will be asked like this: why do you want to work at our company? You calmly say, dear sir and ma'am, as a fresher, I want to settle in good organization and my skill are matching with your requirement. Your company is leading in top position, so I want to join your company. Also, I have great respect for your company. I have reviewed your website. My friend working in industry told about your company. Respect for employee. Next, what is the difference between confidence and overconfidence? Confidence means I can do it, and overconfidence means only I can do it. Next question: what is the difference between hard work and smart? Hard work, it is a remember of how to work deeply and take more in work. Smart work, it remember of how to work is less time in smart planning, but work is same using a different way. Next, how do you feel about working night and weekend? I have no problem in working at weekend and night. I consider organization and its member as my family. If my organization need me, I will be there. Their organization growth is own growth, so I like to work in any situation. Next, can you work under pressure? You can answer like this: yes, it is my pleasure to work under pressure because this is the best time to show my ability and confidence. Are you willing to relocate or travel? You can answer, yes sir, I am ready to relocate and this give me exposure of different culture and will opportunity to meet people with different attitude. What are your goals? My short term goal to get placed in reputed company where I can improve my skill and knowledge. My long term goal is to achieve a respectable position in company that I am working. What motivates you to do good job? My passion about learn new things. What makes you hungry? When I am hungry, I will get angry. Give me example of your creativity. Creative means imagination of path of success and creative new thing. How long would you expect to work for us if I hired? You can answer this: as long as I be satisfied with the job. Thank you.